everybody, this is, I was doing a room review. This is for the Holmside Hotel on Barton Road in Blackpool. We've just arrived, so we're going to give you a wee quick room tour. So this is just some of the procedures that you will find that need to be followed when you're staying in somebody's premises, so you know that's good for that. You do have the life-size wardrobe here, which I have to put my coat into. So as you can see, it's like a full-size one, which is quite nice. You also get a wee mini fridge to which you get told to put your milk in when you arrive. So you get given like a glass of milk. So this is the fridge. Fridge sort of area. You get the bit here to put your milk in, and you get bottles of water as well. Over here you get your tea and coffee making facilities, including your wee treat things, which I think is a nice touch to sit and have. This is your kettle with the nice like sort of worktop, passwords, and then some decor. Here's your TV, and obviously excuse our stuff that's on the bed, but here's the bed. Nice sort of tartany sort of bed with nice picture frames all the way around it. Nice decor like in this area. Down there, nice wallpaper. Up there's your another picture with the nice radiator. Now this is the bathroom. I don't know where the light is. This the light. Yep, here's the light. So there's your shower. That's your shower. Along with like earbuds and ear disposable bags, tested for that. Your toilet. Your toilet paper with your sign and a mirror. So this room for one night cost us £70 with breakfast in the morning. You can PM the lady that owns the hotel for prices if you wish. And yeah, so I don't think this room's been finished since Christmas. Maybe cleaned since Christmas, I don't know. Hair dryer in there, that was in the drawer, and that was that. Oh, that room smelled nice when we walked in. It looks good for one night, so what do you think?
Really lovely, lovely house, nice stairway outside, and then the room's really nice.
Yep, and then we are facing onto some more B&Bs, houses, things like that. So yeah, any questions, pop them down below. But other than that, it's a lovely hotel. Watch out for more videos coming, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye!
Bye.